every fracture का treatment is different. If it's a cuspal fracture, we need to check after removing the cusp that either it is in a savable position or not. अगर थोड़ा सा deep है, you can do a root canal, do a CLP, उसके बाद put a cap on top of it. The tooth is going to survive for a long years. Secondly, अगर CEJ के नीचे है तो हेमी सेक्शंस का भी ऑप्शन आता है इन केसेस ऑफ मोलर. लोअर मोलर्स जनरली हेमी सेक्शन करके यू कैन सेव द पार्ट ऑफ द टूथ विच इज़ नॉट फ्रैक्चर. थर्ड, देर इज़ अ चांस दैट द फ्रैक्चर इज़ गोइंग इन द रूट. प्रीमोलर का फ्रैक्चर हो गया या फिर अपर टूथ का फ्रैक्चर हो गया एंड देर इज़ नो चांस टू सेव द टूथ. अगेन वी नीड टू रिमूव द टूथ. Seeing the bone ka condition, we have to tell the alternative. Either it needs to go for an implant or a bridge. Obviously, seeing the adjacent tooth ka condition, seeing the bone condition, and CBCT is going to help you in all of this. How is the density of the bone present in the patient? How it's going to support your implant if you are planning for an implant. Now, reasons for fracture. Definitely, reasons for fracture is wide. Sometimes people will be opening bottles like from the tooth, canine, or that fracture. That are crazy reasons, I know. Sometimes आप राइस खा रहे होते हो, कंकर आ जाता है, स्टोन आ जाता है. It might also fracture your tooth. Severely adhesion के cases में there is a chance of fracture. Craze lines are present on the tooth surface. So obviously when you plan for any treatment, and sometimes root canal also turns into fracture in these adhesion cases. Third reason might be any nuts like walnuts तोड़ रहे हो अपने दांत से आप. Guava is the main basic reason which I am seeing in my practice कि maximum of the patients are coming कि guava खा रहा था दांत टूट गया. So obviously that is also one of the reason of fracture. Hard biting, like if you have चिक्की खाने का आदत, छोटे काले चने खाने की आदत, तो देयर इज़ अ चांस दैट इन फ्यूचर फ्रैक्चर हो सकता है.